Okay, let's take a look at a question similar to question number 2 on specific gravity. Going to be doing a lot of the same basic math that we did on problem number 1, but this time the question is asking us to calculate specific gravity. So given the information in the problem, how can we calculate the specific gravity of the sludge? Well, the key to answering this question is knowing that the specific gravity of water is 1, and given the pumping rate in gallons per minute, we also know that water weighs 8.34 pounds per gallon. So given this known pumping rate of 60 gallons per minute, we should be able to calculate how many pounds per day of water would be pumped at that rate. And once we know the pounds per day of water, if we know the pounds of water, if we divide the pounds of sludge by the pounds of water, that would give us the specific gravity of the sludge. Because remember, specific gravity, we're simply comparing the density of an unknown substance to water. So let's go ahead and set this problem up. First thing we want to do is determine pounds of water, because we were given pounds of sludge. They told us there are 800,000 pounds of sludge. So all we need to do is calculate pounds of water, and then it becomes a pretty simple division problem. So let's go ahead and do that. We are told that we're pumping 60 gallons per minute. So remember, per means divide. I like to set these up like this, just to make sure that I'm thinking about it correctly. 60 gallons per minute. We know there are 1,440 minutes in a day. And we also know that water weighs 8.34 pounds per gallon. Now we can cancel out, whoops, let me write in the pounds. All right, we have gallons in the numerator and the denominator, so those cancel out. We have minutes in the numerator and the denominator, so those cancel out. And our final answer is going to be in pounds per day, which is exactly what we're looking for. So let's go ahead and do the math on that. We have 60 times 1,440 times 8.34. And if I calculate that, I get 720,576 pounds. So that's the pounds of water. And now I can divide my 800,000 pounds of sludge by my 720,576 pounds of water, and the end result is going to be a number a little bit more than 1, and that's going to be our specific gravity. So let's see what we come up with. 800,000 divided by 720,576 equals 1.11. So the specific gravity of the sludge in this case would be 1.11. And that is how you would set up and think about problem number 2 in Chapter 3.